Hello, everyone. Oh, wrong thing. Why do I keep pulling that up, bro? Oh, I don't accidentally pull that one up either. Hello, everyone. Let's get down to business. Okay, I got your music, bro. If you do, bro, you're a G. You're a G. You're a G. You're a fucking G if you do, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, what's up, Joseph? What's up, Mortis Vigil? What's up? What's up? Alright, let's lock the fuck in. I gotta make more money. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at today. Alright, going into the day. This is kind of tough, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This today is going to be kind of tough for me, and the only reason why I say that is because we have S&T at previous daily highs and all-time highs, right? Dropping down to the 4-hour time chart. This 6 a.m. 4-hour candle doesn't really tap anything, right? We're kind of this is just kind of a consolidation candle, right? We're not tapping any higher time frame PD arrays. I mean, if you want to say we're tapping this inversion fair value gap, you can say that, because technically you are tapping this inversion fair value gap as a PD array. So as you can tell, let me see. Let me draw my GAN box. Price. This is X. This is my accumulation. Okay, wait, let me make the background red. Wait, let me make this yellow. And then make this this is accumulation. This is my X. Let me make it look pretty. This is my X. So I'll just go ahead and mark this red. Okay, this is my X. A. M is this inversion for a value gap, potentially. So right now, it's just kind of off. Like I don't know what to be right now, right? Hello, Forslang. Hello, Mr. D. Augustin. Like, what's your guys' bias state? It's kind of weird, bro. It's low-key weird. XA. Like, we'll probably take out previous daily low first. If you look here, yeah, probably take out previous daily low first. So if we do that, I'll look for long. If we do that, I'll look for long towards the upside. Yo, what's up, Fax Loop? What's up, my NGA? Let's see what happens here. We have lots of low resistance liquidity down here. Lots of low resistance liquidity. We could come down, take out all these lows. What's your analysis on gold, bro? Let's see. Let's see. Analysis on gold. Let's see. What's my analysis on gold? He says. Bullish. I'm low-key bullish. Maybe once we tap this gap here, we can start to see a reaction, a potential reaction towards the upside. There's no rejection blocks here. Oh wait, we have a nice little rejection block here. Actually, gold longs don't look bad right now. Yeah, gold longs don't look bad right now. What up, guys? Dude, gold longs don't look bad. Right, we accumulated, or this is accumulation, manipulation, and then 10:30, I would be looking for distribution towards the upside, low key. I think I might trade gold right now, bro, low key. Wait. High key. Perhaps. High key. Hold up. I have to end the TikTok live stream really quick. I'll be right back. Show new day opening gap on NQ. New day opening gap. It's like, I think it's already filled it. Oh, we're rejecting out this new day opening gap here. I'm always fucking up and wrecking shit. See that's some medicine. Hoping everybody harder than me. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. Alright, but what I'm looking at realistically speaking is I think I might trade gold today, to be honest with you. We have SMT at highs. And this rejection block would have been nice, low key. Oh, we got stopped out. I don't want to ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. I think if we do come back down, take out this generated buy side liquidity or generated sell side liquidity, this rejection block on the 4 hour would look nice. So we'll see what happens here. Using quarterly theory to identify where we're at. Obviously, NQ is way more bearish. NQ is way more bearish than ES. Let's see. We accumulated, but we did have this inversion. But I'm gonna look at ES really quick. I'm kind of. Alright, X. If you look at ES. If you look at ES really quick, we kind of just X accumulation X A, and then this is still A to me. Or all-time highs. So I think we're gonna manipulate to this 4-hour gap, and once we manipulate to this 4-hour gap here, I would like to see potential longs. So I'm kind of bullish, low key, going into the day. Oh, what are these songs, bro? But I'm low key kind of longs a little bit. That's what I would like to see on ES, since ES is the more prominent one that actually did stuff. So XA, I want to see price manipulate. Do you have any news? If you have existing home sales, so we'll see what happens. Kind of iffy right now for me. Plus, because we're in this tight range right now, man. We're in this tight range, so I can't really just like have a bias, in my opinion. Hopefully we don't lose. Oh. Kind of just have to wait. Hold your confidence. I'll try my best, bro. I'll try my best. Perhaps you're correct. Let's see what happens here. The candle 1030 is going to be the fast one. Watch out. Yeah, no, hopefully, because right now I'm anticipating this to be like manipulation. I'm anticipating price, or this phase of price, to be manipulation, right? So I kind of want to see price go a little bit lower, maybe taking out this this low right here before going higher. I didn't even see that, but that's kind of what I want to see price do. So we shall see what happens. Why do I keep getting restricted? Bring back the gym vlog. Bro, I might, bro. It's just like, today's my rest day too, to be honest with you. Today's the rest day. But I have to end the, bro. I have to end the live stream again, bro. Hold up. Are you with me? Let's see what happens. Like I said, this is the manipulation area for me, right? Accumulation, or accumulation, manipulation. I want to see price come down, take out this low for me to go higher. So I want it to happen before 1030. And then 1030, I can look for potential upsides. You were saying for the rest of 3 days now? What do you mean? Saying what? Yeah, previous daily low might be the draw on liquidity. Bro, like going up to a girl in the gym is like low key like a different feeling, bro. It's so hard. Like you gotta have like big balls, bro. Or you're not, bro. What do you mean, bro? Are trading ES? I have ES on the right side of me, so I'm looking at ES and Inky at the same time. Have you done trading? Yeah, I just started. I just started. Bro, the diet's on point, bro. The diet's there, bro. Calorie deficit, everything, bro. We're chilling. Are you with me? I think I might just make a video of me eating throughout the day, bro, so you guys understand like how serious I'm taking this diet. Wait, you're live? Wait, why does it keeps giving me this like this problem? Your live is not eligible for recommendation research results because they contain original or reproduced content. Oh wait, it's probably the music maybe. Hold up, bruv. Hold up, bruv. Brother. Sister. Like, bro, I'm actually like taking this diet like super seriously, bruv. Alright. Let's lock it in, chat. I want to see price manipulate down to these lows, potentially like rejection block, SMT, all this shit for us to go higher. There's too many colors in my chart. But let's actually see. I want to see price manipulate this low, right? Once we do that, 10:30, I could look for potential longs, right? Because we kind of just opened up and just dumped. So we'll see what happens here. Today's kind of tough. What happened yesterday? Just traded. Oh, I ended up going break even. I trailed my stop and I went break even. I think I won like 291 yesterday on yesterday's trade. On 2 accounts though. XAM. Hold up. I said like draw the bodies, brother. So drop from the wick high to the body. Drop down to 3 minute. How to get precise entries. Okay, let's see. I want to see price go higher. Low key. Okay, Slay. What the fuck? Look at, I use your code. I got you, bro. Did you? Let me see. I'll check. I'm gonna check. What are you looking for markets? I'm looking for longs. Low key. Luca. Low key looking for longs. Alright, so we just take out this low. We have SMT at divergence between ES, N, and Q. Now, we're accumulating right now, right? And then we just manipulated. Accumulation. Accumulation, right? And then we manipulate it to this area. Can I make this like red? Perfect. I'm gonna make this yellow so you guys can see a better visual of what I see, right? Accumulation, manipulation to these 4-hour lows, SMT divergence. Perfect. Now, if we can get like a CISD here, bro, this would look fucking phenomenal. SMT these lows too. Like, bro, if we can get this as a rejection block, bro, we're long in this. This would be a nice little rejection block entry area for me to take my longs at, but I'm not going to enter just yet. I'd rather just wait. That is not accumulating. Bro, this is accumulation, bro. So, this is accumulation, and the only reason why is because we didn't tap a higher time frame PD array, right? So, a 4-hour, 15-minute, not really tapping much higher time for PD arrays, and then we come down at a key time, right? Accumulate AA, M, and then 1030 should distribute towards the upside. Yeah, so we do have SMT at the highs. Let's see what happens here. I am bullish, so we'll see what happens. I believe this is manipulation. Now, let me see. If we can come down back, if once this 15-minute candle closes at like 10 o'clock, this should be a rejection block. If we sweep and drop down to the 1 minute, we get like structural shift and everything else, I would believe this to be my rejection block, right? So if I go to ChatGPT, right, what makes a rejection block high probability? Using IC concepts, also known as smart money concepts, right? Let me see. All right. It says, rejection block is formed after price trades above a significant level, often liquidity, but also rejected back, leaving an order block. Boom! Order block. Inversion for value gap. What the fuck? Key features of a high probability rejection block. What makes rejection block more reliable within ICT smart money methodology? It forms at a significant level of interest, should align with the higher time frame. Some resistance, order blocks, fair value gaps. Right? Works best if it taps into liquidity pool like equal highs or equal lows, old lows or old highs on a clear swing point. The candles must run stops, meaning it might sweep prior high or low, drawing in liquidity. Smart need to use. This is a stop rate or liquidity rate. The rejection is decisive. The close must show strong rejection. For example, the bullish rejection block, for instance, to swing low, the close back inside or above this low, strong body, long wick. Shows displacement, aggressive rejection of lower prices by smart money. Bless me. Hold up. Take 3 ticks or more of these. A strong higher time from order block, fair value gap, clears liquidity, sharp rejection, strong close, followed by impulse to break in direct correction, confluence to session timing narrative. All right, perfect. Perfect. This is perfect. Timing session narrative, bro. Right? This inversion fair value gap could play. This inversion fair value gap could play. Don't get me wrong. But rejection blocks give me the best like RR possible. Daily 1 hour 5 minutes correct sequence of time frame. Yes, it is. Daily, hourly, 5 minute. Yes. We have a current weekly high SMT, previous daily high SMT, Helena high SMT. Yeah, I do see that. I do see that we have SMT at the higher time frame. Yes. But if you just look here, it looks like a market maker buy model, bruv. Like a market maker buy model, man. Honestly, once this candle closes, this is going to be a high probability order block or a high probability rejection block for me, right? Now, if we break above this high with a body, I am intending this to be my next high probability order block, right? Because after tapping for fair value gaps, we broke above the high. So this rejection block should hold, and we shouldn't come back down to this low, realistically speaking. And we do have SMT at these lows also. So if we don't do that, I'll take a small stab at this rejection block with like a 10-point stop or something and see how that plays out. Used to. Dude, this girl that I'm texting right now, she says she's in shorts.
My computer screen, but that's my take profit. It's pretty low. A little con, a little mini, a little, I mean not mini, a little micro, one micro. It's itty bitty, but just like you said with the market experience, that's what I'm trying to gain. Because you even asked me, well, were you on demo? I truly didn't know what I was doing, okay? Now I do. So I can't. This is my experience. This is my account. This is me doing it. This is me doing it for real.
Okay, bitch, slay. That's what's up. No, that's good. Just gain a market experience and just do one contract or something. And then, like, once you get comfortable, and because the thing is, your trading is already good. I think you just need to gain more confidence in your trades, which is something that you just have to gain market experience with and know your strategy. So you're on the right path for real. Damn. How's the game? Hold on, I have to end the TikTok live stream again, bro. What's happening? No place to rather be. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. My end of peace. Bro, if you took this inversion fair value gap, bro, you're getting smoked. I'm not gonna lie, you're getting smoked right now. This is why I don't use inversion fair value gaps, bro. This is exactly why I don't use inversion fair value gaps. Like, yes, they're strong. Like, you would have inverse and just like the body's closed back above, but back below, right? Thing is, like, I remember like Six told me that those inversion for value gaps could get like played through, right? We could always just come back down, close body below, and everything else. So it's like, that's why I don't use them, bro. But people be like doing this. I don't get it. Like they'll like long here and then like just do this. I mean, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't like using inversions, to be honest with you. No place I'd rather be when I am with you. Do you always wait for 10:30? No. But the only reason why I'm waiting for 1030 or kind of near 1030 is because quarterly theory is matching up, right? Because accumulation, both of these phases are accumulation, and then 930 to 1030 is usually the manipulation if the sequence aligns up, right? I'm not just gonna if the sequence aligns up, then I'll take it like during New York session or during before 1030. But right now, the first two phases for me, accumulated, price manipulated, and then 1030 should be distribution towards the upside. ES is now in this 4-hour gap also. So this is nice. Now, if we can break above, like I said, if we can break above this high, this rejection block would be a high probability for me on the 1 and on the 15. Yes, I am looking for longs. See, but the thing is, like, people would take these inversions, and I'm like, bro, I just can't, bro. Like, fly me to the moon. All right, let's lock it. Let's lock it, bro. Bro, why do I keep getting this? Dude, the reason why I keep ending the live is because I'm getting these like this restriction. Your live is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in the search results because it contains unoriginal or reproduced content. This is line feed for you, allegedly consent. Like, how is it? Exactly, I'm not even doing anything wrong. Hold my hand. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna end the stream again, and then I'm gonna turn off. I'm gonna shut the app completely off, and then I'll be right back. Long to the moon? You're making trading so difficult. How's it? I feel like this is the most simplest way for me. Low key. In other words. On Jupiter and Mars. In other words. Alright, honestly, this could be the bottom tick of this could be the bottom tick, low key, of price. Like, I wouldn't mind, I just don't see shorts happening right now, in my opinion. In other words. Alright, like I said, 10:30, I want to see, like, price distribute up. We're taking out all these lows. ES is tapping -2 standard deviation. We're tapping standard deviation. If this is accumulation, if this is the highest point, hold up. I want to see price from the 5-minute to this, to the low, charge up to the 3, bring it up to the body. Am I doing it wrong? Fill my heart with joy and let me play amongst the stars. Tell me what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. We're typing negative standard deviation here, which is nice. Now, if we can get like a nice little rejection block here after souping out this liquidity, drop it down to the 1. Wait for the candle closed. Wait for the candle to close, right? If we can get like a change in state and delivery here. Now, this inversion for a value gap wouldn't be bad, right? But I just still wouldn't take it. I'd rather wait for this rejection block. If we do get it, this rejection block here, I want to see price tap back into it and then like a 10-point stop. And then we should run. What do you guys think? Look for a reason why someone was short. I don't. Honestly, I don't see people shorting. I don't know why people are shorted, to be honest with you. Market kind of just opened up and went lower. So it's like I don't know. Something's got a hold on me lately. But I believe that we should go longs here. I see that we should go longs, right? We have SMT these highs. Like right here. We're tapping -2 standard deviation. Perfect. -2 standard deviation. Dropped out to the 3-minute. Boom. Bring it back up here to this wick. Tap -2 standard deviation to the wick. So I want to see a longs form here. My levels. I stay. All right, like I said, I want to see price go higher, right? So now 10:30. We could wait for 10:30 for it to just distribute. Thing is, like, if it's during the distribution phase, bro, all you really have to do is just enter off a fair value gap. Just enter off a fair value gap, bro. And then just fucking let it run. And then stop loss at like a swing point with I don't know, something. Stop loss at a low with the SMT.
Like, I seen that we had a 15-minute for.
Bro, she sent me like a minute 30 voice memo, bro. I'll listen to that later, actually.
Alright, you see right here that your, I don't know.
Like, she sent me like this whole video of like what she saw and shit, which is good.
What the fuck this line is? Maybe 15-minute low. Anyways, this is my take profit down here. This is a clear draw.
She had a really good fill.
I think this might be the one we go into if we even get a pump or whatever. I mean, I don't even check on the daily fair value gap. Oh, we do have a daily fair value gap. It might be cooked. My draw is a little bit.
Bro, I'm not even gonna lie. I dreamed that she was talking to some other guy, bro. I'm not even kidding. For some reason in my dream, I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not even kidding. Why you risk so little on your evals, bro? It's because I was scared, bro. But now I'm chilling. No, the thing is, I shit you not on everything, bro. For some reason, I dreamed that like she was like getting carried by some other guy, and I was like, I just felt this boil inside of me. Like, I just didn't know how to feel, bro. I'm not even kidding. Hold on, I have to end the stream again, bro? Like, what is this, man? Shall I stay? Would it be? Nah, I can't tell her about my dream. I can't look like a beta. I can't look like a beta male. I gotta be strong, independent. Put your head on my shoulder. Like, she put her head on like other guy's shoulder, bro. Baby. You cracked that yet, Unc? Nah, bro. Dude, I have like this crazy story, bro. I have like this craziest fucking story. And I got told yesterday, bro. And I don't know how to feel. I don't know if I should leak this. I genuinely don't know how to feel, bro. I genuinely don't know how to feel, bro. Oh, I have to end the TikTok stream again, bro. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try something different. Hold up. Hello? Yeah, but I'm busy right now. Right now? What do you actually? Hold up. Hold on, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Hold on, let me try something different. I'll be right back. My dad needs me to go do something. Hold on. Bro, Mexican people are actually so chill, bro. Bro, why do I keep getting these violations, bro? I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna crash out. No, it's just cause I just had to go do something, bro. I'm crashing out, bro. We could talk. Does he ever read his chat? YouTube? Of course, I read my YouTube chat. No, I read it. I was just like, I had to go do something. Alright, chat. Let's look. If we can get a... Okay, perfect. This is good. If we can get like a break in structure and everything else, I'll look for this as my rejection block on the 15. After sweeping out all this buy side liquidity, leaving wicks. So let's see what happens. In the timeline. I'm 21. 21? Bro, that's so fucking cringe, bro. Hold on, my bad. 21? Let me turn off. Let me open my door. Say what again? Ooh, E. Baby. Turtle fuck. Bro, I can't say it again. I don't want to get canceled. Mm, mm. Excuse me. I'll do Dolea actually. All right, we'll see what happens here. We're kind of looks like we're wanting to go potentially lower. So we shall just see what happens here. That is given to us. Put your head on my shoulder. Turtle fucking soup. Bro, my tongue is tied. Rip it, I'll give you the pass, bro. I can't. Bro. This shit's so confusing. Alright, let's put some music on, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah, my TikTok is like cooked. It's cooked. It's fine. It's better in here anyways, my NGA. It's less restricted. I got sunshine. Take my eyes off you. I'm trying to get that back on really quick. Else to prepare. All right, perfect. This looks good. This actually looks good, right? We're just coming down, sweeping out. Oh wait. I mean, I don't like how we just kind of disrespected these lows. This hourly low. That's fine. I'll just wait for 10:30. Honestly, I'll probably just wait for 10:30 here to see what happens. This is kind of iffy, bro. I fucking hate it, bro. And if it's quite alright, I'll lay you, baby. Let me see. Look, the swings look like the same from yesterday, Monday, and yesterday. No, facts. 10:30 going to distribute towards the upside. I think ES has more of a better rejection block, low key, than ES, or ES has more of a better of a rejection block than NQ. Low key. Now, if we can break above this swing point here, I'll like ES just looks so much better, bro. Like ES looks so much better, bro. If you look at ES here, oh my gosh, it looks so much better, man. We're in this 4-hour gap. 4-hour gap, 15-minute rejection block. After tapping this Fair value gap, rejection block, perfect. Now this right here is a high probability rejection block for me, bro. Than ES or than NQ. So if price comes back down to this area of support, like I'm long in this with like a 1 point stop. Like I'm bullish. Like longs here look really good, man. Bro, she wants to keep. Dude, this girl wants to back test with me later tonight, bro. Should I back test with her and stream it for you guys or what? This girl wants to back test stream, bro. I'll show you what she looks like really quick. You guys want to see what she? You guys want to see what she looks like really quick, bro? I'll show you guys. You guys are gonna be like, "Koo, how are you doing that? You are actually a goat. Like you are actually like built different, my boy. Like, bro, watch. This a Jet 2 holiday. Yeah.
I need my blue phone.
Oh, hold up. Here you go. I'm not weird, bro. I'm just being honest. This is what a man doesn't. I'm just being a man that's being. I'm just being a man that is expressing emotions. Okay, like nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. All right. Like this is her. This girl is a traitor, bro. Like, come on. Like she wants to back test with me. With me. Compulsive. What the fuck does that even mean? Compulsive. A behavior that is driven by irresistible urge, often performed to alleviate anxiety or prevent negative consequences. Oh, I guess. Nah. She know what it do. She know what it is. She knows who I am. She knows what it is. She knows. She know what the vibe is. Did you get anything from using your code or not? Bro, what's your name, bro? I can't tell if you're being serious or not. You gotta tell me your name. Once you tell me your name, I can see. Once I see, then it's like, okay, this guy's a legend. This guy's a G. I'll give him a free Apex account. Mingo Chingo? I don't run it. Alright, little buster. Bro, what happened to the music, bro? I need music right now. I'm about to crash. I'm about to crash out. I'm about to go hoop today, bro. I am the market maker. Alright, let's see what happens here. Dance with somebody. Honestly, I might take it on ES instead. I might take it on ES. Yes, my TikTok's back up. But I might take it on ES instead, right? ES is just so much more clean. So if price could come back down to ES's rejection block, I would take it within a heartbeat. I'll go ahead and take this rejection block if price does come back down to here. This would be like the trade idea. That's the trade proposal. .2 stop loss. W's in the chat. Oh, dance with somebody. Day trading girls are a rare unicorn. Facts. Somebody to love. Oh, dance with somebody. Somebody. Bro, Krish or Kish, stop being mean. Perhaps. Let's see what happens here. I want to see price. I'm gonna do 1 mini on this this trade here. 1 mini on the funded. Bro, 10 cons is crazy though. Let's see what happens here. I'm like, I never trade ES, so it's kind of off. Because the only reason why I'm choosing this rejection block is because we came down, tapped this fair value gap, also lined up with a 4-hour gap, 15-minute rejection block, dropped down to the 1 minute. We ended up breaking structure and all this stuff. So right now, I want to see price come back down to this rejection block, and plus we'll be in a discount in an OT, and it lines up perfectly with OT. So this looks really good. So I want to see price come down to this rejection block, and if we do, we're fucking chilling. What do you think is bullish? Standard deviation and just overall price order flow. Bro, gold? Bro, I don't know, like, the time zone for gold, bro. Like, I just don't know when, like, it's live. You know what I mean? Like, how, like, there's, like, a New York session. And then, like, I don't know, like, with the time zone. Or when to trade. $8.20 is... Bro, it takes 10 minutes to look back on when it moves the most. Oh, wait, does it? Let me see. Because I know that you trade at night. Matt. I know you trade at night. So it's like... I think nighttime is like... I mean... Wait. Okay, it looks like obviously like... Yeah, no, it's like... Top ticking is like the new shit, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. It's like the new move, bro. $8 a.m. All right, but let me write that down. 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. Oh, that's early. That's fucking early. That's early shit. I'm not gonna lie. Nah, it's fine. 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. Or see what I'm saying? Like there's so many time zones differently, so it's like I don't know. You know what I mean? Bro, we're not coming back down to the rejection block, bro. Yeah, hey, if price doesn't come back down to this rejection block that I have marked out, then I'll look for like a 1 minute like rejection block after breaking a high. That would be my rejection block. Trust. What is it rejecting? It's rejecting this 4-hour gap plus this 15-minute fair value gap after sweeping liquidity. I get a bucket full of sunshine. I'm like, no. Oh, whoa. I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. I'll look for a trade at start of 6 p.m. session. Usually won't trade again until 7:30, then at 11. Oh, fair enough. Hold on. Actually, just let me ask ChatGPT, bro. For me. When does GC futures open up? Opens at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Closes at 4. Oh, okay. Hold up. When is peak time to trade it? Oh, whoa. Take me out. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Highest liquidity window. Okay, I see. 1 a. Oh, okay. 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern or midnight. Okay. ChatGPT is a G. Bro, I gotta end the stream again, bro. I'm like getting restricted for no reason. Alright. Alright, so I'm locking. 3 minutes until market open. Patch my zero account though. Bro, dude, all you need is like one good trade. Cause I've been seeing I've been seeing your TikTok for your trading stuff, bro. It's like your top ticking, bottom ticking, and like it's nice. It feels good. Trust me, it feels good. It's like the new meta for like passing accounts, bro. And like if you do that, you can easily pass an Apex account, bro. Easily. If you look at gold, I can show you my entries. Let me see. Is it just rejection blocks? Hold on, let me see. Is it regular for extra trading hours? Stop acting like you bottom tick. I don't bottom tick or top tick daily, bro. I have this right here. This 5-minute fair value gap. Right. Oh, today's high. 5:55 a.m. Oh, 5:55 a.m. Wait, 5:55. Are we talking about New York time? Oh, 50. Oh, yeah. Consequent encroachment of this fair value gap, it looks like. And probably, I think you say your stop loss is like a one. You target 1-to-1s first, or something like that. I swear I saw something like that. I don't know. Yeah, no, that's what I've been doing. Like, I'm trying to use more of consequent encroachment of like areas. But like for example, right here, like. And then like I'll use consequent encroachment, and then I'll drop down to like the 1 minute and see like aligning time frames or aligning PD arrays with the consequent encroachment of the PD array, and then like yeah. Where'd you learn how to trade? I just YouTube, bro. Just YouTube, bro. All right, 10:30 is about to open up, right? So now, what am I looking for 10:30, right? 10:30, I'm realistically looking for like a 1 minute FVG and then a rejection off of that. A rejection off of that 1 minute fair value gap. I think NQ might be a little bit more clear, but like NQ, I want to see price for NQ reject off a fair value gap and then break above the high, so I can say this is a valid rejection block. And price should not come back down to this area. So right now, I'm kind of just waiting. CE only works if you're trading higher time frames. Only trading on higher time frames on some extreme trading of type style. My entry 3-4-28-6. Can feel it for you. 3-4-4-2-8. Oh, right here. Oh, this fair value gap. Oh wait, 50% of 745. 3428.6. Of this fair value gap. Or which fair value gap is it? I mean, if you go to 15. Oh, I'm starving. Hold up. Okay, ES is actually coming back. Hold on, how can I go back on ES? Alright, we're coming back to my entry. Hopefully, hold up. Let's see. Alright, actually, hold on. Let's lock in. We sweep out this low, right? Now, I'm not considering this as my rejection block just yet, right? I want to see price break above the high And then for me to be like, okay, look, listen, rejection, high probability rejection block. But this is also high probability rejection block here also on ES. Actually, I'll take this on ES or on NQ actually. This is going to be like the rejection block that I'm looking at. And then like, let's do a 4-point stop. Because I don't think we're coming back down to this area. Actually, I'll do like a 10-point stop. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, can I place my limit in time, bro? Because we're in a distribution area now. So I want to see price reject off this rejection block here. Because we did break above these highs. Let's see. And plus we're in OT. We're in discount of this area too. So this looks good. Let's see what happens here. Oh shit. Alright, we're chilling. We're chilling. Alright, this rejection block is low-key ran through. It's a 10-point stop. Hold up. Hold up. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let's lock in.
Order filled.
Alright, let's lock in. Alright, what the fuck? Okay, hold up.
Order filled.
Alright, let's lock in. Hold up, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Wait. Alright, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Nah. Nah, hold up. Let's lock in, actually. Hold up. Let's chill. Okay, I'll have my original entry down at this low on ES. Because I'm not revenge trading. I'm seeing what ES gives me, right? This is a more higher probability rejection block. Bro, chill. Do we just get edged here, bro? Come on, man. Alright, now we're chilling. Alright. If we can come down to this rejection block on ES, I'll take it. Right? So let's see what happens here. This is my last trade. 1030 should be distribution towards the upside. 15-minute high. This is a more high probability order block or rejection block. No. Watch. We're chilling. This is both. Start learning to flip burgers and bro. Trust me, I know how to do that already, bro. I already know how to do that, bro. I used to work at McDonald's. I had a handle. I was flipping the burger patties, bro. I was doing it. You might as well. Like, well, now we're chilling. I entered off this rejection block on NQ, and the reason I'm not mad about this trade, honestly, I should have just had my stops at this low. Because if this rejection block is gonna hold, it should hold, right? If it was gonna hold, then it would hold, and I'll learn that next time. But let's see if we can come down to this rejection block. This rejection block's high probability. We have a 4-hour gap, 4-hour fair value gap, 15-minute rejection block. After typing this 15-minute rejection block, structure is bullish. I want to see price come back down to this rejection block. No, I'm chilling. Trust. I'm not worried. Honestly. Too bad. You inspired me to enter short, bro. Stop. No, we're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. Oh, my knee. Or my calf. We can burn brighter than the sun. Oh, Matthew. I don't know if Matthew's still in here, but wait, let me text you like individually really quick. Here, Matt, if you're still in here, check your Instagram DMs really quick. I just got a message from Alex and the let me see. All right, let's see. Fuck! How do we know, bro? Chill, bro. No way. Content encroachment. This fair value? Yeah, perhaps that could be the case, right? But I really want this rejection block, right? I'm not gonna FOMO it. I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna chill. And yes, I do stay with my parents still because I love my parents. It's like growing up, like it's a lot more different than white people. I don't know, because like growing up, white people want to leave their parents, but like Asian parents, growing up, like a lot of Asian families, like we don't always like go. We don't usually go out on trips or like we don't really like. Like Asian families are really close. So it's like I guess like staying with parents and everything else was like nice. But like white people just want to dip, bro. Like no, you guys just want to dip. Hold up, hold up. I'll have to listen to Alex's voice note in a little bit. He sent me like 3 voice notes. I just stopped taking my entry and didn't place, bro. This like, bro, it's crazy, bro. Trust. Nah, watch. Let's see if we can get this rejection block, bro. Was the entry bad? Theoretically, it wasn't bad. Maybe I could have just had to minimize my stop loss. I could have just entered here and have my stops here potentially, or on in Q. Oh wait, in Q was oh no, in Q just fucking dumb. All right, ES is on a different level type shit. All right, let's see what happens here. I forgot I was looking at let's see. I want to see price come down to this low. No, I can't fall. All right, let's see. We're taking these longs. It looks clean, to be honest with you. 4-hour gap, 15-minute rejection block. After sweeping the liquidity, after typing this fair value gap, this looks like a high probability area. High probability area for me to look for longs in this area. So if we can come back down to this rejection block, I'll take it. And yes, we do have SMT at the lows here. Oh wait, that's something I should have looked at. Wait, at this rejection block, that's something I should have looked at. Yeah, that's on me. Yeah, nah. For me, I can't speak. For me to see a high probability rejection block, I need to see SMT at these rejection blocks, right? And there was no SMT here, and that's completely on me. I deserve this loss. But now I'm looking at ES, and hopefully we can come down to this rejection block with SMT divergence. Hopefully, I think, right? Yes, with SMT divergence. That is completely on me. I deserve that first loss. I completely forgot. No, I did learn. I did learn, bro. I can't fucking speak, bro. I have too many things going on in my head, bro. I'm fighting demons right now, bro. I am trading on my funded. I'm on the funded and the eval. Nah, bro. I'm not wrapping shit up, bro. Bro, it's longs. I'm longing, bro. Fuck it. Buddy, it's just invested into Instacart, bro. Bro, nah, bro, watch this trade. Watch, I'm gonna hit this banger trade, and then you guys are gonna get on your knees for me, all right? I'm gonna hit this banger ass trade, and you're just gonna get on your knees for me, all right? Bro, my bicep is like nothing, bro. Bro, I don't know. Oh wait, hold up. I'm gonna show Matt this picture, or Matt. Hold on, let me see. Let me see if I can get on my profile. Wait, Matthew, if you're still in here, do you remember this picture? And be honest. Be honest. Oh, wait. Do you remember this picture? If not, it's completely fine. I'm just curious if he's still in here. Yeah. Yeah, bro. This is a classic, bro. Oh, wait. Wrong thing. I was making sure you remember it. That's all. Thing is, rejection blocks, bro. All you, or that fat ass chain, bro. Bro, no, that chain was. I forgot. I didn't even look at the chain, to be honest with you. But I saw that birthmark and I was like, oh, this guy is Matt, the guy from TikTok, bro. So it's like, oh shit, might as well say hi. But legend, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna expose my $1,000 strategy, bro. No, I'm playing. I'm trading right now. I'm looking at ES. Every day we're right, bro. Watch. This trade is gonna hit. Once this trade hits, bro, you guys are gonna understand the power. Kid, do you like donut? Bro, I haven't had a donut in a while, bro. Same bed, bro. I don't sleep in this bed, bro. This bed is just here. Oh, I used to. This bed is just here. My entry, it's consequent encroachment of this order block, or consequent encroachment of this 15-minute rejection block after tapping a 15-minute fair value gap after tapping a 4-hour fair value gap. Rejection block. I want to see price come back down lower or price to go higher. I'm gambling. How am I gambling, bro? I have reasonings. Hi, Q. If we're doing AF, A2 deal or what? Perhaps. I don't know, to be honest. But you really want those Apex accounts, huh? CE hasn't been filled yet, bro. CE wick. Oh, whoa. Now, this rejection block here is valid. This rejection block's valid. Bro, don't worry, guys. The thing is, like, I took a loss, but I'm not worried. I'm not even worried about this. I'm not worried about this loss. And the only reason why I'm not worried about this loss is because I know it works. That was just a bad trade, and I didn't realize that. That's on me. Because usually I like to see SMT after a rejection block. It is real money, bro. It is real. It's not real, but it's real. If worst case scenario is I catch the retracement. That's all that is. Worst case scenario. I do the. Even when I knew I never could, know that I. Well, let's see what happens here. We're going higher, chat. I'll catch like. I wouldn't mind. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. I wouldn't mind this rejection block. I would not mind this rejection block right here, bro. Enter right here, boom. All right, it's locking. It's locking. Daily CE. CE of this rejection block here. But thing is, I'm not looking at that only because there was no change in state in delivery, right? We're still respecting this hourly fair value gap on the daily. So that's why I'm not. That's why I'm still looking for a, yeah, you know what I mean, type shit. Okay, I'm gonna flatten all my trades really quick. Where's the flatten all? No, like, bro, it's because like, no, because we've already tapped this 4 hours. We have already swept up this 4 hour low, which was my draw, and then we're starting to see price go higher. I'm not switching, bro. I'm not switching, bro. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. Alright, if we can break above this high. Alright. I'll end up taking this rejection block if we come back down. This will be my last trade on NQ. If we can come down here. I know you see your comments. Quit playing. Wait, what'd you say? I'm not gonna get stopped. Watch. Look at that rejection. Are you gonna switch up on your day ones? Absolutely. No, I'm playing, bro. Yeah, this is the NASDAQ. Let's see what happens here. If we can come down to this rejection block, it'd be nice. Can't get you out of my brain. This guy's TikTok should be the real. I'm shorting Q. Wish me luck, bro. I'm long, bro. Watch. I told you guys we're going longs. Like, I'm not going shorts, bro. Fuck the shorts, bro. Fuck the shorts, bro. I'm not fucking shorting this shit. I'm not shorting, bro. I'm not shorting this shit. I overdose. Should've known your love was a game, and I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame. Bro, my mental's straight. I'm straight, bruv. I do rechat. Wait for a pullback. I'm in this exact trade right now. Bearish order block. It's going to previous daily low, bro. Why would you want to get filled down there? Because it's a rejection block after tapping fair value gap and after breaking structure. Why would you? I wish you would answer your question. Do you take partials? Oh, sometimes low key. It just depends on how. It just depends. Like if I'm on micros, then I'll do it. If not, then I'll just take it all out. Did we get a payout, Mr. Tao? Not yet. I got the short at pre-market. Legend, bruv. Send me the signals, bro. Do you only main trade rejection blocks? Yes. Do you know what gap fills are? No. You got Discord? Yes, Discord's on the bio. Give us weekly buys, bro. I don't care about the weekly. I care about intraday. I want to get in and get out. What's your strategy? Rejection blocks and quarterly theory. It's not time yet to watch. Watch. This song is going to work out. Give us a daily. There's no way you can see the daily can and be bullish. Perhaps. Let's see. All right, quarterly theory. Let's see. 6 a.m. candle. Where's it at? All right. This is accumulation. During New York, we come down, manipulate this 4-hour low, which was this was accumulation to me, manipulation. And then now I'm starting to see distribution towards the upside, or I want to see distribution towards the upside, right? And then for us to go higher. When we cry. How's that? Bro, trust. Longs, bro. And if you look here, market, it looks like a market maker buy model, right? Zooming out, generated buy side liquidity, even on the higher time frame, bro. Trust. Low-key prices look choppy, so I didn't trade. Perhaps. This is NASDAQ or NQ. Hold up. Like, bro, you can literally make money either going in longs or shorts, bro. After we take multiple draws in price for chops, we might get a reversal. Exactly. And plus, if you go on 15-minute time chart, we have lots of generated buy side liquidity here, right? Lots of generated buy side liquidity. We come down, take all of it out, and then we have SMT, and then we start to see higher prices. And ES is also in a 4-hour gap, so longs here look good. Let's see here. I mean, sell side. We have lots of sell side generated. My bad. How long have we been trading for about 3 years, chat. How do you put the indicator right there? This is not an indicator. Just look at the weekly, though. They don't have to follow, but just do it. Like weekly, all I know is like, oh, we set up previous weekly highs, and we should start to see retracement. Sure. The QT one? What do you mean? Alright, guys, I don't think we're getting filled. I'm gonna have to chase. Q, get my DoorDash order, bro. I've been DoorDashing a while, bro, to be honest with you. I've been DoorDashing a while, bro. See, like, long as here were correct, they weren't wrong. But, am I? No, I'm not, you stinky little liar. How many pairs have you gotten through 3 years? One. Bro, Brian, chill. I told you, 1030 is gonna 1030 is going to like distribute towards the upside. 1, 2, 3. This rejection block would have been nice. I'm unstoppable. Do you trade market open? Not really, no. What stock? This is NASDAQ. How do you put quarter 3 or 4 boxes at the top of your chart, not like the bottom like the others? I just use the GAM box. These are just settings. I just use the GAM box. It's faster and it's easier for me. Or it's not faster, it's just easier for me to read. Let's see. Oh. Alright, bro. I think I'm getting off, bro. I took a small little L. 246. I lost about $600 today, unfortunately. The thing is, I deserve that loss, bro. That's something like I should have saw, and that's on me. This rejection block isn't valid. I'm gonna fly an all just in case. Like, this rejection block, yes, this is a rejection block, but the only reason why it wasn't valid was because there was no SMT supporting this rejection block, and that was on me, right? And now, if we would have created like an SMT, that would have been a nice little rejection block. For example, go on the 5. I mean, on InQ, it doesn't look that good, honestly. But if you go on ES, see how, like, see, for example, right here. Let me go on InQ, actually. So you guys can see. I mean, it doesn't look that clean. Oh, wait, it actually does. Okay, so right here, I got stopped out here, right, in this area. And we have a rejection block here, right? This is a rejection block. Small or not, right? And we had SMT divergence between... We had SMT divergence here. This wick right here, you see how price never really went below this low? Because this is a rejection block. We shouldn't go lower. And then we had SMT between ESN and Q, rejection block here. Could have just, for spreads, you could have probably put your stop loss a little bit below this, and it rode up, obviously. Obviously in hindsight. But, alright, I'll keep that in mind next time. It's okay, we live and learn. I'll keep that in mind next time. Yeah, other than that. Yeah, no, I would have to, like, up my stop loss a little bit just for spreads. Maybe like a point or something. But, dude, I feel like I'm almost there. I got this shit. What's my strategy? I trade using quarterly theory for time. I use quarterly theory for time. And then I use rejection blocks for entries. But no, I feel like I'm almost there, bro. I can feel it. I can vision it. To be honest, quarterly theory has definitely helped me a lot with time. So I'm winning tomorrow. I have to win tomorrow. If I don't win tomorrow, then I'm like, bro. But yeah. Bro, 15. Oh, I only used the 15-second CIZs because we had a 5-minute gap. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream here. I'll be back tomorrow, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I will see you guys all tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll make money. We'll make some money tomorrow. I am down about $200 on the evals, and I'm down about 217 on this because the fill was kind of off. But yeah, we will be back tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.